Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on this 90-degree aluminum GoPro bracket. Honestly, this bracket should be a must for any GoPro user, especially if you do a lot of vertical videos, which I do. This thing makes it so easy to be able to use. So as you can see, you can now grab this vertically and put it on a tripod, do whatever you need to do in a vertical style, as opposed to always having to do some weird connections using a gimbal, using a tripod. This way it makes it very easy. And not only that, you can still use the bottom 1/4 inch screw to be able to place it on a tripod or whatever you might have. You are able to use that manual screw, but it also comes with these bolts, so it can be kind of more of a permanent solution, which for me is perfect like this. This way now you can easily get into the battery with no issues and not ever have to take off the bracket. Overall, I really think this gives it kind of a form of protection and rigidity to the whole GoPro itself, and the fact that you don't really have to take it off at all makes it very easy to work with. So as you can see, it doesn't really mess with any of the GoPro features. Here we have the on and off button. Here we have the battery door, very easy to open. Overall, if you're looking for a solution to be able to simply get those vertical videos or have that versatility of positioning, you pretty much can't go wrong with this bracket.